I don't know if you know, but I had a whole video about me canceling Threadbeast, and yet, in the title you saw, I'm unboxing Threadbeast. Why, you ask? Well, because somebody used my link. I gotta unbox it, right? Here's Threadbeast, and we're gonna show you why it doesn't fit on fat guys, but the good news is, if you like the style that comes out of this box, and you want it, it will be a once tried on box for free. All you have to do is comment below and I will pick a random winner to go and ship this to in the US, please. To get burned twice by Threadbeast would be pretty upsetting if I have to send it internationally. Since you got me the box, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for using the link. If you want to go to one of my previous videos and use one of those links, I'll link the video at the end of this and I'll keep unboxing them. You want to send them and then I will give them away because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to want anything in this box. So it's never been about the style. I don't hate the style, it just doesn't fit on me. What it has been mainly about Threadbeast that I don't like is the sizes are always wrong. They're always too small. This is 2XL, everything you're gonna see is 2XL, and it just doesn't fit. Look at how tight this is. It's insane. Plus, I have no idea what Thrasher magazine is. I probably should. If it's still a magazine, then it's gotta be legendary for surviving the internet. Not gonna lie, when I pulled this out of the box, I was pretty excited about it. It's a green hoodie, it's thin, so you can layer it. Then I noticed the sleeves are 3/4, which I guess is a new style. I've never seen this before, and I don't think it looks good on me. Pocket's a little too low. Like I feel like I'm grabbing my crotch when I put my hands in my pocket, but I don't know if that's used for function or not. If you like the style, then I would definitely look into Threadbeast. You can use my link again. I'll link somewhere to link to that if you want to make me unbox something else. Thanks again for watching. You can feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. The air is getting pretty thin up here though. I think I crossed the 300 mark. Thanks for watching.